Have you ever noticed your skin suddenly forming tiny bumps when you feel cold, scared, or deeply emotional? These small bumps are called goosebumps, and they are one of the most curious reactions of the human body. But why does this happen? And why do we still get goosebumps today, even though they don't seem very useful anymore? Let's find out. Goosebumps happen when tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle contract. These muscles are called arrector pili muscles. When they tighten, they pull the hair upward and make the skin around it rise, creating small bumps. This reaction is completely automatic. You don't decide to get goosebumps. Your body does it on its own. The reason for this reaction lies deep in our evolutionary past. Thousands of years ago, humans were covered with much more body hair than we have today. When our ancestors felt cold, these muscles lifted the hair to trap a layer of air close to the skin. This trapped air helped keep the body warm. It worked in a similar way to how animals fluff up their fur in cold weather. Goosebumps also had another important purpose. When our ancestors felt threatened, raised hair made them look bigger and more intimidating. This reaction could scare predators or rivals away. So in the past, goosebumps were actually very useful for survival. But today, humans no longer have thick body hair. So why do goosebumps still happen? The answer is simple. Our bodies are still running on very old biological software. Goosebumps are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. This is the same system that controls your breathing, heart rate, and digestion. You don't consciously control it. It reacts instantly to certain signals. Cold temperatures, fear, stress, strong emotions, sudden excitement. When one of these signals appears, your nervous system activates the same ancient response. That's why goosebumps appear so fast. But cold isn't the only trigger. Many people experience goosebumps when listening to music. Others feel them while watching a powerful movie scene. Some even get goosebumps from inspirational speeches or meaningful moments. Why does this happen? When you feel strong emotions, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine and adrenaline. These chemicals prepare your body for action. They increase alertness, they sharpen your senses. As part of this reaction, the autonomic nervous system can also activate the muscles responsible for goosebumps. That's why a song can literally give you chills. Interestingly, goosebumps are often linked to meaningful experiences. They can happen when something deeply resonates with you. Your brain recognizes a moment as important, and your body reacts. So even though goosebumps no longer help us survive in the wild, they still serve as a signal. They show that your brain and body are deeply connected. They remind us that we still carry ancient instincts inside us. The next time you feel goosebumps, pay attention. It might not be just the cold. It could be your body reacting to something meaningful, a memory, a sound, a feeling, or a moment that matters more than you realize. And that's the mystery behind goosebumps.